Hello friends, in this video I'm going to take you on a short trip or review of Hotel Villa Fontaine in Shidome business district of Tokyo. It's a 4-star property, not a 5-star property or a luxury property. The best part about this hotel is its accessibility to the station. So behind me is 1 minute walk to Shidome station, and then if you want to join the JR line, then about 8 minutes walk to Shimbashi station. This is the check-in or lobby area, and I was surprised to know that they charge you for early check-in. Absolutely no leeway. So they charge you about 2,300 yen for 2 person. At the end of the lobby you can see a sitting area where you can have free snacks, coffee and wine in the evening between 5 and 7. This is the lobby area. It's a 500 room property and 10 floors. They have a 24-hour business center as well as a gym. Time to check out our room. Our room was called moderate double room. They have a lot of categories. I'll leave the link in the description box if you want to check it out. It's a very small room, but the view was nice, was facing the railway line where you can see all the Shinkansen. This was our first room in Japan, and the kind of money we paid and the size of the room really took us by surprise. So be ready for that. It definitely had a cupboard, which down the road you won't find in many rooms. Toilet wise, clean, small toilet, all amenities are there, but it's not properly maintained. The shower was leaking. This is standard yukuta which you get in all the hotels. Some more information. Nice touch, just charging cable, standard water kettle, mini bar, empty. This is the only hotel which provided us with water bottles, so let's check out some more facilities. This is the vendor room and laundry room. So they have this kind of room in almost every floor, and this is the the famous coin laundry machine where you can wash your clothes as well as dry your clothes. Good morning. So it's time to check out the view from our room. So it's facing the rail tracks of the Shinkansen. So we were really worried, but the rooms are nicely soundproof, so not much of a noise. The other view I think is the garden facing, and that's your Shinkansen, then 7000 series. Will I recommend this hotel? Not really, because the kind of money you pay for it, it's not worth it. Only advantage of this hotel is the accessibility. The station is very close. Otherwise staff is not very helpful. I wouldn't say they are impolite, but they're not also very helpful. Okay hotel, think about it before you go. Only very close to Ginza, so I think that's what they charge you for. So see you in the next. Bye.